With the newer Apple AirPods Pros, you can now easily switch between noise canceling and transparency modes. Apple's also added the ability to activate the noise canceling feature if you're only using one AirPod if you want, and I'll show you that at the end. The first way I'll show you is by simple touch gesture. With the AirPods in your ears, just firmly press the button on either AirPod until you hear a chime. Hold the button for a few seconds until you hear another chime. You will then notice the noise cancellation turn off. Likewise, if you're already in transparency mode and you do this, it'll turn on noise cancellation. The next way to do this is on your iPhone inside of either Control Center or Settings. We'll start with Control Center. Again, with the AirPods in your ears and on, swipe down from the top right to get into Control Center. Inside of here, you'll see your AirPods volume. If you don't see it right away, you may need to play something to get them to recognize. Once you do, press and hold until the volume options window pops out. At the bottom, you'll then see noise cancellation. Tap that and you can then turn it on, off, or enter transparency mode. The final way we'll look at is inside of Settings. Close Control Center and then open the Settings app. You can get to the menu through the Bluetooth menu or just by selecting it here. Inside of the AirPods menu, you'll then see the noise control section. Here you can again turn noise cancellation on, off, or enable transparency mode. If you tried and noticed that when you pressed and held the AirPods and this didn't work for you, you may have this feature turned off inside of here. Under the noise control section, just make sure that either the left or right AirPod is set to recognize noise control. The last thing we'll look at is allowing noise cancellation when you're only using one of the AirPods. To do this, head back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and then select Accessibility. Inside of here, scroll down a bit and then tap AirPods. You'll then see the noise control section where you can enable noise cancellation with only one AirPod. And that's how you turn noise cancellation on or off with the AirPods Pros.